Na many workers say a few months ago that the KD was a to home. Yen shan wa some carry na that lumba so as a bottle. Yen see the KD. I share you don't want to share one ebusian for years share den car we see in August now so no was sa bibiara dates no abesna ka share September so that no wa press conference ke chire kwame apia to tona no wase ka kwa cheche nyimum chehen so no me ente no na ye ba me interview big interview bia amzebro so no menko bibia
yo ebusian for na Ghana mai Yenina yeshia mu ha enye enye agro senne eye arehom na yebo na office bi ye ni ade mu do ti the kitchen and the first mene na ajima so wa ha dada kedi abusuafo ni nuanu ne wofa no ne sisters empanimfo ne aunties ya wa ha anya bone ya wa ha concerning dada kedi na year date as from 16th 17th August ama akwa kodu say emeye no nyame ya aduma on the 6th and 7th September na on the 6th September no yebeye wo State House hona yebeyi yenuana mu no e de akire Ghana mine ene amansan nyina na yadedan fefefe na abaino Deura John Mama ene chief of staff ene pending for creative art ministry no omubeboa na yama yenuano state barrier na state barrier na abaino boy interne friend kwasha no right nyame ya assisted state barrier nyame ya do na se yewie memenda no a kwasiada on the 7th September no abosomen ko da to so no ya de kokuma se aguna asaman na yenuanom anyumtofo ene filmmakers no so mo Ashanti region no ehia yen wo aguna asaman na o ma ba behwe yenuanom anim ansa na ya fe no krabre anopa no na yanom ne sikasa a etwato okra ewo aguna asaman enti se muhu ye ha yenua dada kedi kwakudua na yieda eye abosomen ko ede to so nsia ene enso 6th and 7th September ye be no forecourt na ade eye State House ade achia ede akokuma se aba otoaso enti no adofo no momra amomeye mwa se wo hu video bi ana wo so awoso ama wo nuano because we jama me no emma nuano e mo chire wo ye ma no
Kwame apia enyen watching me obaye no 6th and 7th of September or forecourt of the State House woman state's barrier omomozna na yenkonkete ebusuan echi na wonkre nechi fefefe wombrate wombra dom bebre wombra State House the host papa panti no ebutum na ya accommodate obiara wo honom na quickly it's na make sure no and then go big interview be because that is a bro no dana me the bro na minima start to driller boy area nyama latest cry on Stone Boy big song also them dead and say mommy enjoy nyum na kakra mo no fi hade na me ne twonkomo no asamara yen them dead enye also ya afro fusion enyom mo no studio hade na or in Nigeria, I will speak English. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
How are you?
Yeah, I feel good, but sad at the same time.
You are sad at the same time. Is it about the tragedy that has befallen Ghana?
Yeah, true. May your soul rest in peace, Yeah, I'm sending my regards, like my greetings to their families, I don't really know what to say, but may you find peace. I know that may the souls find peace in the bosom of the Lord,
Amen. Amen. And or sympathize with Ebusiafo we lose one of the she or yare who some part of what to hear no na or share that you welcome to Ghana. Is this your first time or you've been living in Ghana for a long time?
I've been coming to Ghana. Yeah.
You've been coming to Ghana,
yeah.
but you don't live in Ghana.
Yeah, this video was shot in Ghana.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the last time I came.
I see.
Yeah.
So how long have you known Stonebwoy?
Yeah, I've known Stonebwoy for, I think, for months now. We're getting to a year. Yeah.
Was it difficult getting a collaboration?
It wasn't really that difficult with the help of my, my boss, with the CEO of my Cashboy Records, the Morgan Cashboy, is his US road manager. So it wasn't that difficult getting it,
Okay. So if you say them dead, who are dead?
I think people that were thinking, were thinking I was supposed to be here and then I'm there, you know. Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, then there is actually speaking for me 15 years ago. Yeah, like when I was 15 years, I think them there is speaking for me now. He's speaking, telling them, yo, don't underrate anybody.
Okay. Yeah. So no, them dead and watch kasa mana kasa na 15 years ago no they be no more pada wasn't chef for can share but so I'm on when them go for nyina no chima them dead okokra. No, I want you to spit, like do something with the song, them dead. Give me freestyle.
Yeah, man. I'm anti-fragile, so anti-social. Anytime I bust down, is I'm a simple of them dead. You know them dead. You know them dead. Taking it global, never win a local. Shell them like total, putting it straight in a them head. Straight in a them head, you know. Copper and lead. Christopher Columbus was a damn blasted liar. Me had a preacher just shatter anytime when we pull up on the girl them a run it up. Big ups Ghana.
Dada, big ups to you. What's your favorite thing about Ghana?
Yeah, their way of welcoming people. They are free and welcoming, and like I love the environment. But lately it has been cold. I don't know what's making it cold.
Ghana is too cold lately.
Yeah, but most time when I was here, I didn't feel this cold.
Yeah. Also, Ghana weather no. Weather now too cold. First, no about Ghana be a higher show. So see,
I got to learn too.
Have you tried any of our meals?
Yeah, my favorite meal is
Ghana jollof, I'm sure.
Banku.
Banku and what?
Yeah, I love Banku with the fish, with the pepper. You know, everything good.
But so Ghana jollof, Nigeria jollof.
Me, if I'm in Ghana, I eat Ghana jollof. If I'm in Nigeria, I eat Nigeria jollof. I don't
like
have
both?
that. I like both.
Okay. Is there any differences you have tried both? Is there a difference?
Yeah, you know, there's a few that jollof rice give when I'm in Nigeria. You know, they prepare the best jollof, and if I'm in Ghana, they prepare the best Ghana jollof. You know, I just eat it when I see it.
Okay, you like one tank and you on work and call men. I, which you baby will be out or enjoy jollof for atasa. Into no has some marrying them dead. Where are we getting the song? Where can we stream them dead?
Yeah, you can stream them dead. It's out worldwide. You can stream it on Audiomack, Boomplay. Just type Drella, D-R-E-L-A. Yeah, and yeah, we are also doing. I think we're doing a meet and greet at the Stay Up. Yeah, the Stay Up.
When is that?
Yeah, I think it's 13th. On the 13th. Yeah, we're
it means you'll be in Ghana for some time.
Yeah, at the adjacent. Yeah.
Okay. No, I also be a meet and greet.
Yeah, at the adjacent Bayview.
Adjacent Bayview.
Yeah, but tomorrow we're doing the first meet and greet at the Foresight TV mansion.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Legon. So I want everybody to turn up. Let's meet and let's know ourselves. You know.
Okay. Okay. It's the way Nigeria no war. Now so no Ghana nyom fan ho papa Ghana some fan ho until Taba Ghana papa on you Stonebwoy with new one them dead or upon Chawara Wabokrum had the oil tours won't stream a manitino or was not won't stream and fan Drella Shishano on all social media give me your handles.
Yeah, you can get me on IG official Drella, TikTok Big Drella, the Big Drella normal B-I-G and D-R-E-L-A-A. Okay. And on X, you could get me official Drella, the normal official with the D-R-E-L-A. Okay.
Okay. So thank you for coming.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Is there something you would want to say that you haven't talked about?
Yeah, I just want to big up everybody and let them know that we brought merch Like the tomorrow at Forsyth TV Mansion, like the 4 people to come will get like 4 merch. I have merch, I have lighters, I have cap, I have shirts, yeah, in lovely colors and sizes, you know. So just pull up, and if you buy one, yeah, you could DM me on my IG official Drella. If you buy one, you get one lighter for free. Like it's just
okay.
go.
No, some arrangement into no one be kitchen no hono no one share no honum. Drella, thank you so much for coming.
Yeah,
I'll be playing your music. Vibe with it small na yankwati.
Yeah, man.
Okay, into I'll be playing your music. More offer them dead non so do man na on vibe kakra mama na ninja no kwanati. Vibe with it.
We had to actually have a dance. Hey.
Oh, really?
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey. Hey. Them dead.
Oh. Thank you so much, Bella.
Yeah,
Thank you for coming.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.